I'm Gina. I'm glad that they do something for Christmas. I want to make chocolate cookies. Some little thing, but it's expensive. I need the almond paste. I need the white eggs, sugar, and powdered sugar. And that's a chocolate cacao. That's what we need. But they come a little bit, but they're expensive. But once in a while, we gotta make a list for Christmas. This is that good, okay? And now I gotta start. This is, first of all, you put this. First you put this almond. And you gotta smash. And then after this, you can put the white one. You can put this one. And I can smash. Take a chance to smash everything. Okay, now we put the sugar. We start with the sugar now. All right? Okay. Okay. That's the called chocolate cookies. And now we put the other one. Now we put this. Okay. The last one is the cacao. Make sure they smash everything. Okay, now it's the time to make this. That's the cacao. That was the blow away. All right, everything is here. Everything is here. Everything is here. Okay, now I think it's done. It's okay. Now I close it a little bit. I want to clean up all around. We got to clean it like a little bit all around like this. All right, so now put this here. Just to let me run it out a little bit. It's a nice cream, look nice. Now, nice cream. See? Nice done. Now I gotta turn it off the machine. Okay. Now you gotta clean it up for this. Now I clean this. After I clean this, I will make a cookies. Okay. And now we gotta make a cookies. You see? This you see? Everything is nice. And now we started to make a cookies. Okay, you gotta make something like this. Gotta put it here. The first one, it's a little hard. So you gotta move. You make it like this. You can make it like this. Okay? Three enough. Three. Let me go with this. Okay, I finished the first trail. That's they look like, see? Now I put in the oven. The oven at 315 for 20 minutes. You gotta look. Okay? 315 for 20 minutes. And then you look. And then, now we gotta make another trail. We have more here. We gotta make another trail. Okay? All right. Now we'll make another trail. Make sure they come a nice round. When you put over there, they got a nice round. Finish that trail, now we start, that's the last one maybe. So, but for Christmas you gotta make something nice. So, tu scendi dalle stelle, o Re del cielo, e vieni in una grotta al freddo al gelo, e vieni in una grotta al freddo al gelo. Oh bambino mio divino, io ti vedo qui a tremare. Oh Dio beato, ai quando ti costò di averti amato, ai quando ti costò di averti amato. Gesù mio bel bambino, quando a questa povertà più mi innamore, già che ti fece amore, povero ancora. But this song, it's a tradition for me. When I was a little baby, bambino, I was go to church. That's the sing we used to sing all the time. That's the sing we sing all the time. Now they have a different way. But for me, that's the sing song. I used to sing all the time this one. So, Gesù bambino, fai la ninna e fai la na, e fai la ninna, nanna Gesù. Gli angioletti nel cielo pregano per te e te Gesù. Fai la nanno mio tesoro, dolce amore, fai la nanna sul mio cuore. Fai la ninna e fai la nanna e fai la ninna, nanna Gesù. Gli angioletti su nel cielo prego per te e per me Gesù. Alleluia, Gesù bambino. Ho finito, sì? Tutto a posto. Amore, adesso questo è un poco piccolo, mettiamo un altro poco. Adesso sì. So make sure they're nice round. Well, maybe sometimes it's a little small. You know. just you make something nice. Okay, now we gotta cook and we gotta eat. And we gotta enjoy it Gesù bambino. Okay? All right, I'll see you later. Okay, now this is for 20 minutes. We gotta take it out. Look, this they look like. Oh, yeah. You see how nice? It smells good. Oh, wow. Look how nice. This was 20 minutes in the oven. Now we put the other one. Now we put the other one. Okay. All right. That looks good. That's nice. All right, we're done. This is the dish. This they come, see? That's a nice dish. They look nice, something special for Christmas, anyway. Little one. So, and now I want to taste, anyway. I take one, I want to taste what they look like. You can just pick like this. It's a nice sausage inside, see? Crunch outside, nice inside. Nice crunch inside. Okay, this is good, I know. Good. It's so good. Yeah. And this is it. This when you make it, they look nice on the table. And yesterday, I make this, my scartellate, see? This we used to make at Christmas all the time. And then, yesterday I make because I want to send some from my friend Dolores. I hope she like, but I have this idea to send something. Okay? I want to say, Merry Christmas everybody. Merry Christmas all the world, Italia e America, buon Natale, buon anno e peace in the world. Dobbiamo pregare per la pace. Ciao e buon Natale, ciao ciao.